So we all love shopping online, but ever felt that sting when you know you missed a better deal? Or bought something only to see the price drop next week? It's super frustrating, feeling like you're just guessing if you're getting the best price. What if there was a way to make sure you always shop smarter, to actually know you are saving? Well, there is, and I'm about to show you how. This tool is Coupert. It's a free browser extension designed to help you save money when shopping online. Coupert utilizes AI to assist with your purchase. It supports all major desktop browsers, including Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, and Safari, and is also available for Safari on mobile. Over 9 million users currently use Coupert and works with more than 200,000 online merchants. Coupert helps you save money through three main features: automatically coupon application, cashback rewards, and price comparison. Let's look at how it works. First, Coupert's automatic coupon feature. Instead of searching for codes that might not work, Coupert handles it. When you are ready to check out, it automatically tests and applies the best available coupon codes for your purchase. This means you secure the maximum possible discount without extra steps. For example, I'm on Macy's.com with item in my cart. Going to check out, I click the Coupert icon. It quickly runs through codes. See, it found a saving of $20. Or let's say I'm on MLB Shop buying a new jersey. Coupert does the same thing, applying another valid code to save me another $10. It's very direct. Something I learned later is that Coupert offers a saving guarantee on eligible orders. Basically, if Coupert doesn't find you a real discount and you successfully use a valid code from another source, you can submit it to them. They will make it right with a cash reward. Next, Coupert offers cashback. This works by returning a portion of the commission from your purchase directly to your account. You simply activate the cashback feature before completing your order. Coupert supports over 76,000 retailers for cashback, including many popular stops like Temu, Macy's.com, and eBay. You can withdraw your earned cashback via PayPal as a gift card or directly to your bank account. The processing time averages 50 days. Coupert's Cashback Pay lists all participating stores, which you can browse. My third point is Coupert's price comparison service. When you view a product online, Coupert can show you prices for that same item from another retailers. This helps you confirm if you are getting the best price. For instance, if I'm looking at a product on Amazon, Coupert will display if it's available cheaper at Walmart or Target. This feature works alongside coupons and cashback, allowing for multiple layers of savings. It supports major shopping platforms like Amazon, Walmart, Macy's, eBay, and Nike, giving you a clear picture of market prices. Coupert provides a practical, straightforward method for online savings. Its effectiveness is reflected in its Trustpilot score of 4.8 out of 5. It's important to note Coupert's transparency. Our earnings come from legitimate partnerships with merchants, without using undisclosed tracking methods. With the upcoming holiday season and various sales events throughout the year, Coupert offers a practical way to maximize your savings on gifts and everyday purchase. It's a tool designed to help you secure better deals during this period. If you aim to save money efficiently on your online shopping, consider installing Coupert. It's a simple step to integrate it into a browser. Use the link provided in the description below to get started. This allows you to convert everyday purchase into opportunities for savings. Join the community of users who are applying this tool to their shopping. Thank you for watching and enjoy your future savings.